Hello children, my name is Dolly Srani and I am a pre-primary facilitator from the Millennium family. How are you? Fine? Okay. So today we will play a game, Body Part Detective. हमें detective बनना है. Okay, we have to become detective and then we have to arrange the body parts in a proper way. Come, let's play the game. Look here, body parts are jumbled ना. देखो इसके hands ऊपर है and face down है. But is this a way how our body looks like? Is this a way? No. So हमें wrong parts को detect करके उसके right way में placing करनी है. Are you ready children? Come, let's start. We will start from head and face. Where is the face and head of the body? Tell me. Look here and detect. Detect my detectives. Oh, it's down. So we have to pick from here and we have to place it here. Yes. Now let's move forward. Where are the hands? Are these hands? No, these are, what are these? Legs. Very good. But where are hands? Hands are here. So we have to place the hands here and one more hand here. Because how many hands we have? Children, tell me how many hands we have? 2. Okay. So we have detected 2 hands. Now let's move forward. Oh, where is the legs? Tell me children and detect where are the legs. Legs are here. Is this a right placing of the legs? No na. So we have to take it and we have to place it here and the leg here. So now the placing of the body is correct. Very good. All the parts of body are properly placed. So children, do you know we have to take proper care of our body. हमें अपनी health और hygiene का अच्छे से ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Okay, so tell me, do you take bath every day? Do you? What will happen if you don't take a bath? Think. सोचो. And do you brush your teeth every day? What will happen if you don't brush your teeth every day? Socho, think. Do you wash your hands before and after meal? What will happen if you don't wash your hands before and after meal? Think. Socho. So, I will tell you now how to take care of our body. Okay, I will tell you some good habits and some bad habits. For good habits, you have to show thumbs up. And for bad habits, you have to show thumbs down. Okay, come. Let me show you how to take care of our body and some good habits and bad habits. So children, look here in this picture. What boy is doing? Tell me. Yes, he is washing his hands. And do you know why he is washing his hands? Because he is going to take a meal. So children, we have to wash our hands before and after meal. Because if we don't wash our hands, then germs will go inside our stomach. जर्म्स हमारे स्टमक में चले जाएंगे और फिर हमारे को स्टमक पेन होगा. सो हमको हैंड्स क्लीन करके ही खाना खाना चाहिए. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बिफोर मील एंड आफ्टर मील. सो व्हाट डू यू लर्न? इज इट अ गुड हैबिट और अ बैड हैबिट? टेल मी. Yes, it's a good habit. Show thumbs up. So children, look in the second picture what boy is doing. Think what he is doing. Yes, he is not drinking the milk and also he is not eating his food. और क्या ये गलत कर रहा है? Yes, he is not sitting in the right position. क्या हमें ऐसे बैठना चाहिए खाना खाते वक्त? No ना. So, is this a good habit or a bad habit? Tell me. It's a bad habit. Show thumbs down. Yes, it's a bad habit. But children, we have to drink milk. क्यों पीना चाहिए हमें milk? Because so that we will become strong and healthy. And also we should respect our food. We should sit in a proper position while taking the meal. Okay? So children, we have to brush our teeth properly every day. And how many times we have to brush our teeth? Twice a day. और क्यों करने चाहिए हमें ब्रश एवरी डे? बोला था ना मैंने आपको, सोचो, आपने सोचा? Yes? Did you think? Tell me. Yes, because so that our teeth should be neat and clean. Okay, so that no germs can reach our teeth. And also we should trim our nails every day. Okay, and also we should wear clean clothes to keep clean and tidy, to remain clean and tidy. We should also take bath every day so that we should be healthy and clean. So children, you have to talk about good habits and bad habits with your mama papa, and also you have to ask everyone at your home that if they take bath every day, if they brush their teeth twice a day. Okay, you have to ask such questions to everyone at your home. Now promise me children that you will follow good habits and bad habits. Promise me? Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Till we meet again.